A woman who didn't further pursue an education and who started as a receptionist worked up the ranks to become an international chief purchasing officer, which eventually led her to building her very own successful business empire. Meet Anita de Groot, one of the main speakers for the Women in Leadership Conference. Anita de Groot worked in Holland at a company for 26 years. She was able to work through all the ranks. During her experience, there were times where working with women was actually more difficult than working with men.
I think the basic part is that you have to stay true to yourself, be honest, work hard, and keep your promise. And of course, not everybody likes what you do, but I think for men it's no different than from women. The only thing is with women, when you work with women, it's often more difficult than when you work with men. So in my career, I started out working with probably 85% men because I was working in the car industry, in the consultancy industry. So for me, it was a different matter. But, I didn't find them that difficult. It was challenging at times, yes, but not to be not overcome.
Anita says women looking down or disrespecting other female counterparts is a societal issue that needs to be addressed in order for everyone to embrace successful female leaders.
Because sometimes women are a little bit difficult in they don't promote each other. If women would promote each other more and would see that the opportunity is huge if you support each other, then yes, you could achieve a lot. If you really know that 1% of all business that is being spent is going through women, then and there's so many female business owners, so why is that?
So you would say that would be perhaps a barrier that we still need to overcome today?
Yeah, absolutely, I think so. I think if women would support each other more, then I think we would get through the ceiling a lot quicker.
Anita gives us a taste of what she will be striving to accomplish on Friday with her presentation at the conference.
I will not give too much away because it should be fun and it should be, exciting. But I think one of the key points in my presentation is the personal power that you have. So how can you utilize and unlock your full potential? How can you do that? So for me, the motto is also to learn, you have to unlearn sometimes. And detox your mind a little bit to see the opportunities and see, where is it that I could achieve what I would like to achieve. My presentation is very interactive. I will challenge people to think, rethink, also about their brain and what it offers to them, but also what are the limitations of the brain. So that's more what I would like to do, but very interactive.
You can catch Anita's presentation along with other inspiring ladies at the Women in Leadership Conference scheduled for this coming Friday at the Renaissance Convention Center. For tickets, call Atia at 582-7593.